Yo, what is up, everyone? Omni here. So, I had ordered the Clix and Matrix keyboard, and it finally came in. So I'm just gonna give you guys like an unboxing on it. So, this is the package. Matrix keyboard's right there. Clix X Matrix. Nothing on the sides. That's just what it is, and there's that. So, getting right into the box, you unflip that, do that, boom, there's the keyboard. It's in a plastic with everything on the side. So here, I guess we'll just take out everything on the side first. So first you have the Clix and Matrix cord. So if you unravel that, it's a very nice black and red braided cable. Very nice cable. It feels good. Then you have a switch puller and a keycap puller. So if you want to switch out the keycaps or the keys, you use those. So then getting into the keyboard, you open it. From the back, there's a tape or glue to stick it together. So you undo that, and here you have the keyboard. The cable goes into here. It's a USB Type-C cable. You have that on the back, and then it says Clix and then Matrix keyboards right there. That's all that's in the box. So if you guys want a sound test, it sounds like this. So there is that. I am going to plug it in for you guys, so you guys can see what it's like with the LED. So that is what it is like, all turned on, if you want to check that out. Looks pretty sick in my opinion. So if you guys want to know the user manual, this also comes in the box, but it was separate from this box. It came in like the classic cardboard box. If you open it up, it is the user manual, so you get to know everything with the keyboard and everything like that. There's also catalog for like everything that's in their store. It looks like to change RGB, it is FN backspace, FN plus, FN backspace. So FN backspace turns all of the RGB off. Okay, so FN bracket changes them. This one's a nice color, but the bracket changes. Seems like there's not that many modes. So yeah, this is it on the keyboard. This is everything that gets included to it. So this is the keyboard. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy that I got the Clix and Matrix keyboard. And let me know what you guys think of the video. Still working on how to make videos, trying to become better at it. So if you guys have any tips or tricks or whatever, I would appreciate them in the comments so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.